Have you ever dreamed of starting your own cleaning business, but feel stuck because you have zero experience? If so, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your cleaning business from scratch, even if you've never cleaned professionally before. And while starting a cleaning business might seem intimidating, let me tell you, it's actually one of the simplest and most affordable businesses to start for a variety of reasons. You don't need a college degree, you don't need a ton of money, you don't need a lot of expensive equipment, and you don't need years of experience, provided you're willing to learn on the go. But what you do need is a plan and a little motivation, and that's exactly what I'll give you in this video. Then by the end, you'll have the confidence to start your own cleaning business and take that first step toward financial and personal freedom. I have another video that outlines the first steps you should take to get your business launched, like choosing your business name, getting insurance, and stuff like that. I'll put a link to that video below if you haven't seen it yet. But for the rest of this video, I'm going to teach you three main things: how to find your first clients, where to get started with supplies and the actual cleaning work, and how to overcome the fears that many, if not all, new cleaning business owners face. And make sure you stick around for that last one, because so many people never even start because they think they'll fail. They're scared they won't get clients. They're scared to price their services correctly, or they feel like they need to be a cleaning expert to even begin. Does any of that sound like you? Well, the good news is you don't need to know everything right now. You just need to start. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to hit the ground running. So first, let's chat about finding your first client. When I started my cleaning business over 25 years ago, I didn't know near as much about cleaning as I know today. And my first client was actually a family friend who mentioned she was looking for a housekeeper, so I offered to help. I showed up with some basic supplies, and I actually used her vacuum. And to this day, I still have all of my clients supply their own vacuum, which we'll talk about more later. And guess what? I was probably even a little bit nervous. But you know what? I did my best, and she was happy with the results. Then she hired me on a weekly basis, and she told me about some others who needed cleaning. And that one client turned into 2, and then 5, then 10, and so on. But one of the biggest lessons I learned in my early days was this: at that stage of your business, most people don't expect perfection, especially when they are friends and family. They just want someone they can trust to show up and do a good job. And that's why starting small with people in your network is a great strategy. Many others want to reach their goals as fast as possible, which is where things like my coaching program come in. But if you want to start slow and steady, then just focus on doing one great job at a time. And each positive experience will build your confidence. And before you know it, you'll feel so much better about your skills. So offer your services to friends, family, and neighbors. Post on community boards or local Facebook groups. These are great ways to gain confidence and experience without feeling overwhelmed. Just get your name out there in an approachable and professional way. If you want to begin with commercial, then start with smaller local businesses, like small professional offices, family doctors, salons. There are lots of smaller and easier commercial opportunities in every market that can help you build a consistent income as you grow in experience. And then eventually, you can target larger commercial spaces like I do. Regardless, just focus on finding your very first client for now. Do a good job, and you may be surprised how quickly it grows from there. Next, let's talk about supplies and the actual cleaning work. You don't need to spend a fortune on equipment. Just start with the basics. Also linked below is my Amazon store, where you can see my recommendations. But some basic tools like a mop, a broom, cleaning towels, and a few good cleaning solutions will get you far. As I said above, I have always had my clients provide the vacuum, which saves me money and prevents cross-contamination. Then, as your business grows, you can reinvest in higher quality tools or specialized supplies for tougher cleaning jobs. The key is to just start with what you need for that first job and then add and upgrade as needed. As for the cleaning work, when you chat with your new clients, just ask them what's important to them and create checklists for each job. This ensures you don't miss anything and proves to your clients that you're thorough. For example, your list might include tasks like dusting all surfaces, cleaning mirrors, vacuuming carpets, and mopping floors. Clients love seeing that level of detail, and it reassures them they're getting their money's worth. And all of this keeps clients using you long-term. Your goal should be to create long-term relationships. And this is key, since retaining current customers is much easier than constantly finding new ones. So show up on time, do a thorough job, and communicate clearly with your clients. After you finish your first job, you might even leave a handwritten thank you note with a quick message to make sure the client was satisfied. Small gestures like these show you care and will make you stand out from competitors. And lastly, let's talk about those big fears that I referenced earlier. The first being the fear of not getting clients. The reality of any business is that lots of people won't be interested in working with you, and that's 100% okay. Maybe they already have a cleaning provider they're happy with, or maybe they simply can't afford one. But every no is just another opportunity to go find a yes. And trust me, there is a massive demand in this industry and tons of people who are just waiting for a better cleaning provider to come along. Others are scared of pricing their services correctly when they do find clients. But guess what? You have to start somewhere. And the great thing about business is you can always increase your prices over time. And then many others feel that they need to be a cleaning expert to even begin. But every new business owner starts somewhere. The first iPhone Steve Jobs made is nothing like the ones we have today, but he stuck with it and built something incredible. And that will be the key for you too. So just start. And what if you fear dealing with unhappy clients? Well, here's a secret. Not every client will be a perfect fit, and that's okay. So as I said earlier, just focus on doing your best work. And if you ever do run into issues, stay calm and professional, and just offer to fix the problem or find a solution. Most clients will appreciate your effort. But above all else with your fears, remember that action beats perfection. In other words, it's better to start small and learn as you go than to wait until you feel ready, especially since you may never feel ready. So just start. To wrap up, remember this. Every successful cleaning business owner started from where you're at right now, from zero. But the point is, they started, and they just took it one step at a time. And a very smart first step to take right now is to sign up for my completely free newsletter, where each week you'll get quality cleaning business advice delivered straight to your inbox. So click the link below this video to get signed up, and let's build what you want together.